I am OPATAFUOR. God bless you. Follow this page for more inspiring content, religiously based and then intellectual discourse. This is a channel that is dedicated for inspiring people, empowering minds, transforming lives. It is your premier destination for inspiring content and then igniting the positive energy in you. This is a channel that is more centered on preaching the gospel. If you are looking for an undiluted word of God, as a matter of fact, don't hesitate to follow this page, because this is a page that is solely dedicated for religious and then intellectual discourse. If you want to know more and discover more about life, the mysteries of life, the mysteries of the gospel, we are here to help you unleash your potentials by feeding your spirit with an inspirational and then practical advice. Receive spiritual guidance through powerful sermons. Engage in thought-provoking discussions, which will help you elevate your spirit. Don't hesitate to follow this page, because we have a lot to discuss. We have a lot for you. We are here to create a community that values compassion, resilience, and then spiritual growth. So don't hesitate to follow this page. You shall be the head and not the tail. May the peace of the Lord be with you, stay with you, help you to succeed in all your endeavors. God bless you and bless you so much.